First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there at the front is the turn signal bulb. Behind the headlight is the plug for the bulb of turn signal right there. Just to show you guys a little wider angle, this is the back side of the headlight and right there is the plug for the turn signal bulb. You will need to punch in your arm, grab the plug and turn it anti-clockwise. Just like that, and then we pull the plug out. There's the plug along with the bulb taken out. Grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. Just like that. Now suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. It does not matter this way or the other. All you have to do is just punch in the bulb right there and then press the bulb to a point until you hear a clicking sound. Bulb is installed. Now we will go ahead and punch in the plug where it came from. Make sure the plug is completely in. We may have to wiggle a little bit until it goes completely in. Once the plug is completely in, then turn this plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that. And notice the plug is also not coming out. With that, we are done with the replacement of this turn signal bulb. The same process applies on the other side of the turn signal bulb. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle. And to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.